What's good, guys? Eddie Beto here, aka Getroman, coming live from the Bronx, New York, sending hella good vibes out there to my community of builders. So as of yesterday, I decided to embark on the 100 Days of Code Challenge, something I've never done before and so excited to get started. The parameters are this. All you have to do is code for 1 hour a day, 100 days straight. It may not seem like much right now, but we all know how easy it is to get distracted. At least for me it is, as a family man. So I'm asking all my builders out there to strap up the boots and let's get coding. Code for 100 days straight for at least 1 hour a day. And I'm gonna show you how to get started right now. So we're gonna be using WakaTime as the tool to hold us accountable for coding the threshold of 1 hour a day for 100 days straight. So I'm gonna show you in a few seconds how to set that up in my text editor of choice, which is VSCode, and how to set up an account and get started on your 100 Days of Code Challenge. All right, here it is, WakaTime. Basically, set up an account on WakaTime, connect it to your GitHub account. You're presented with this robust dashboard with some great information, some great data on the project you're working on, the languages that's there, the time spent, and also some great information. Now, to set up your goals for the 100 Days of Code Challenge, all you gotta do is click on goals on the left-hand side, go to the top right-hand corner and click on new goals. Then you're gonna be presented with this modal, and you need to answer the question, do you want to code more or less? I would hope it's more, so we're gonna stick with more. We'll click on overall, and then you would set your parameters. For me, I'm saying I want to code at least 1 hour a day at the bare minimum. You click on finish, and I'm not gonna do that now because I already did it, but basically you click on finish and set up your account on Twitter so that WakatTime at midnight can send an update on Twitter with your status as far as like how long you've been coding for that day and if you met your goal for that day. Very simple. Next, go to your text editor of choice. For me is VSCode. Go to the extensions tab, type WakatTime, and install the WakatTime plugin. And that's it. VSCode or whatever text editor you're working on will handle the rest. So if you're looking for support for this 100 Days of Code Challenge, look no further. Come join us on Discord. We have a great community called Built by Builders, and you'll find all types of folks, software, hardware, project managers, HR builders, all looking to get better at their craft. So come join us. You can find the link in my link tree in the description in my Instagram account or Twitter account or my website, getroman.dev. Come join us. We'll be happy to have you. And let's rock this 100 Days of Code Challenge. Peace, guys.